Hey everyone, it's Ed with Slow Car Fix, and today I'm working on my 57 Chevy Truck, and we're going on a road trip. So I've got to finish getting it ready and take you guys with me. Okay, so if you watch my last video, you'll see that I had this box. I've clear coated it. It's Flex Seal on the inside. This is just going to hold our suitcases. It'll hold my suitcase, my wife's suitcase, and some tools and stuff. And then I have a lock clasp to keep the honest people out. Unfortunately, this top half overlaps the bottom half of this box. It kind of splits in the middle. The way it mounts, it's not long enough to go over the two pieces and still work properly. So I'm going to have to figure that out. I think what I'm going to do is I'm just going to cut this and add in an inch or so. I'll measure it first, of course, and then weld it back up, spray paint it black, and screw this back in. Where this mounts and where the other piece mounts, they can't be in the spot where this wants it to be because the box overlaps. So it's designed for a gate or something, not this situation. So I'm on that. I've got to lock the lock nuts on the coilovers in the front, pack my tools, put a fire extinguisher in, get the spare tire out of the Malibu to put in the back of the truck, mount some tie down points that I have, 4 tie down points, and should be ready to rock. I've already checked over the truck, like the oil and fluids and all those things. That's all good. Maybe give the interior a wipe, and yeah, I'm leaving tomorrow. So we are in Ottawa. We just woke up. We're gonna go have breakfast, check in on the truck. We had dinner last night with our son, and then we're on to Edmundston, New Brunswick. So far the truck's been really good. At about 80 miles an hour, 125 kilometers an hour, it's about 1850 RPMs. So it shouldn't be bad on gas. I haven't done any gas calculations yet. I guess we'll see. Maybe in the next fill up or so I'll do some math. No leaks, no mess. I did have one thing I had to fix. The headlight on the driver's side didn't work, and the fog light. It's just an old connector, like a two-prong male-female connector, came undone. It was kind of corroded and crappy, so I just cut it out and put in a butt splice and hardwired it. So I'll fix that when I get home. But other than that, the truck's been really good. The box is kind of squeaky. It squeaks a little bit. You can't really tell right now, but it does squeak. It rides good. It seems to be quite comfortable to be in. I've got a little cushion deal on the seat in there, just to kind of firm up or cushion up the bottom portion of the seat. Everything seems to be good. No leaks, no mess. I'll have to reconnect the things I disconnected to park it. Learned that from Vice Grip Garage. Disconnect a few things so no one steals your truck. Alright, back on the road. We're in Edmundston. Say hello.
Hi.
We're in Edmundston, New Brunswick. We got here last night. Stayed at what's this place called? Days Inn. Days Inn. So we are 760 miles at this point, which is 1,223 kilometers according to Google, and we're averaging about 11 liters per 100 kilometers. So when we were in Ottawa, going through town and stuff, I was averaging about 13, but on the highway, cruising at about 80 miles an hour, which is like 125 kilometers an hour, we were averaging about 11 liters per 100 kilometers. So we had about 8 hours of driving yesterday through rural Quebec. It's pretty nice. Lots of good scenery. We didn't stop too often because our French isn't very good. So we are going another 4 hours today to around the Bay of Fundy area, where we're going to stay for the next few nights. And I'll check in with you when we get there. Okay, we are in Fredericton. Where are we, Fredericton? Fredericton? Fredericton. We're in Fredericton. We're going for a walk. We have to take our Corvair ramp-side truck to this monument over here to get a picture for the, what is it called? The warm-up for the Corvair Club, where we're supposed to take a picture of our Corvair at different locations. We don't have our Corvair, we have our truck. So we brought our ramp-side truck. Show the ramp-side truck. So we brought our ramp-side, and we're gonna get some pictures of it out here. It's pretty nice. Dawn's trying to get the picture. Did you get it? Pretty nice place. It's a very pink house. We're on the water here somewhere. A lot of neat dogs. Oh, she's gonna try again. Josh, I hope you watch this and see how much effort we're putting into this. Okay, if you've stuck with me this long, thank you. We're at our destination. It's an interesting Airbnb. We are not far from Hopewell Rocks, New Brunswick. I can hear the chickens or roosters crowing in the background. It's pretty cool. Thanks for sticking with me. We're going to document the rest of our trip over to Prince Edward Island, and we'll do another video, but I'm going to end this one here. We're 1,063 miles so far, so I expect we'll probably be about between 2,500 to 3,000 miles by the time we get home, because we have to go across to Prince Edward Island and then back again. Thanks. Let me know if you like this kind of video. You can't always be working on your stuff. Eventually you have to do what I'm doing now and just enjoy it. Get some bugs on the glass and use them like they're meant to be used. That's what I do all this work for, is to be able to drive these things. Thanks again. Check out my other videos. There's a lineup of the entire winter working on this truck to get it ready for a trip like this. Thanks.